So in this video, we will see that how we can use the Postman extension in VS Code. Okay. So first you need to install the Postman extension in your Visual Studio Code. Okay. So once it is installed, go to Postman, then sign in. Okay. So once you are signed in, go to new HTTP request. Okay. Then you can go for any request that you want to see here. Okay. So let's see what are the things we have. Okay, so all these things are in progress. Currently, this is available in beta version. Okay. Now fetching the details of a contact. Okay, session invalid. Okay, so currently these things are not available here. So we cannot do that. So once it is available, then we will do that. Okay. Thank you.